Hi, this is PR Sundar. We are launching a new webinar in collaboration with Bombay Stock Exchange of India Investor Protection Fund and hosted by earnmarkets.com. And this webinar title is Options Unlocked. The webinar will be telecast on 28th of June at 11 a.m. You can check the description for the registration link. When you register, you will be getting a webinar link, but most probably your webinar link will be going to your spam folder. So when you open up your mail, on the left side you can see inbox, and there you can see many things. There you can see something called spam, and the webinar link will be coming from earnmarkets.com, and you will also be getting the reminder mail one day before the actual event. Last time I did a webinar for charity. About 8,700 people have registered. The world record so far for a webinar is about 18,000. So I'm sure with all your support, we will be able to break that record. Now, a small question to you. Assume that you love your wife so much, and your wife asks you to buy one flower for her, a rose. Due to Corona, all the shops are closed. Only my shop is open, and I am the only one selling the roses. By knowing that your wife is insisting you to buy the rose, I am asking an astronomical price. Now my question to you, what is the maximum amount you will be willing to spend to buy one rose for your wife? And you will get the answer in the webinar. And one more question. Do you know there is a flower called Always the King? The name of the flower is a very beautiful flower. The name is Always the King. Wait. Please don't go and search Google. You will not get the answer. So if you want to get the answer, wait for my webinar. You will get the answer there. Thank you.